Hello dear students, today our topic is equipment and official required for badminton match. Equipment means the necessary items for a particular purpose along along with official relating to an authority or a public body and its activities and responsibilities is called official required, officially compulsory. For a relationship between a pot and a hole is called for badminton match. Badminton is a racket sport played using racket to hit a shuttlecock across a net. Although it may be played with the larger teams, the most common forms of the game or singles and double games is called badminton match. The following equipment and officials are required for the smooth conduct of badminton match. Means following coming after equipment, the necessary items for a particular purpose, and along with official relating to an authority or public body and its activities and responsibilities. Required, officially compulsory. For the smooth means deal successfully with the difficulty is called smooth. Conduct, the manner in which an organization can work. Of badminton match. Badminton is a racket sport played using racket to hit a shuttlecock across a net. Although it may be played with larger teams, the most common forms of the game are singles and doubles. First point, iron or wooden pole. Irons or wooden pole means the posts are 1.55 meter high from the surface of the court and remain vertical when the net is strained. The post or supports must not extend into the court beyond the sight lines. Shuttlecock means shuttlecock used like a ball consists of cork head, a skirt of overlapping 16 feathers, threads and glue is called shuttlecock. String. String means hang something so that it stretches in a long line. Lime powder, a dry white powder consisting essentially of calcium hydroxide obtained by treating with water, also slagged lime. Cotton or plastic net means the net is made of cotton or plastic. The net is 1.50 meter or 5 feet and 1 inch high at the edges and 5 feet or 1.524 meter high in the center. The posts are placed over the double side lines even when single is played. Racket means the badminton racket has several parts: the handle, the shaft, the throat, the strings and the head. The frame is generally made out of titanium, graphite or steel. The strings are generally synthetic is called a racket. Measuring tape. A tape is a flexible ruler used to measure size or distance is called measuring tape. Large scoreboard means big scoreboard clearly display the current score for the players and for the public. Score sheet. Score sheet means on which scoring earned by the each player recorded by the scorer is called score sheet. Officials. A person holding public office or having official duties required, officially compulsory, is called officials. The number of officials are required for smooth conduct of badminton match or as listed below. The numbers of means how much quantity. Officials, a person holding public office or having official duties required, officially compulsory. Required, officially compulsory. Smooth means deal successfully with difficulty or problems, conduct the manner in which an organization can work. Badminton match is a racket sport played using racket to hit a shuttlecock across a net. Although it may be played with larger teams, the most common forms of the game are singles and double games. Or as listed below means marked as under. Umpire means an official who watches a game or match closely to enforce the rules and judge the matters arising from the play is called umpire. An umpire is needed only one. Service umpire means the service judge or umpire is responsible in making a service fault call and to provide shuttles to the players is called service umpire. That is also needed one. Linesman. Linesman means a line judge is responsible for indicating whether a shuttle has landed in or out. The quantity of linemen is 4 to 8. Match referee means a badminton referee is the final judge and in charge of on-court and off-court matters. The job of referee full of responsibilities, and so he has a team that can help him out. The officials is the team are known as the assistant referees, and the match referee quantity is needed one. Thanks and have a nice day.